Have you ever wondered how your favorite cartoons are made? How do those static drawings come to life, expressing emotions, telling stories, captivating audiences worldwide? Today, embark on an exhilarating journey of learning animation. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand the basics. Animation is all about creating an illusion of movement and change by rapidly displaying static images or frames. Keyframes, timing, and easing are some of the core concepts that will set the stage for your animation adventure. Now, animation is a diverse world. From the classic two-dimensional style reminiscent of early Disney films to the immersive world of three-dimensional animation, and even the tactile charm of stop motion, the possibilities are endless. It's essential to explore these different styles and find the one that resonates with you. With your chosen style, it's time to select your tools. Traditional artists might prefer pencil and paper, while the tech-savvy might lean towards digital software like Blender or After Effects. Each tool offers its unique benefits, so choose wisely. Once you're armed with knowledge and tools, dive into tutorials. The internet is overflowing with helpful guides and step-by-step videos that can help you get a grip on the animation principles. Practice till these principles become second nature to you. But don't just stop at tutorials. Learn from the masters. The works of Disney, Pixar, Studio Ghibli are not just entertainment, but a treasure trove of techniques and inspirations. Study them, understand their methods, and absorb their genius. Now it's time to create. Start with a simple project, something manageable yet challenging. This hands-on experience is where the real learning happens, so don't shy away from getting your hands dirty. And remember, no creation is beyond improvement. Seek feedback, embrace criticism, and use it to refine your work. Constructive feedback is an animator's secret weapon, so wield it wisely. Joining animation communities can also be a game changer. Engage with like-minded individuals, share your work, exchange ideas, and grow together. Remember, animation is not a solitary pursuit, it's a collaborative effort. And while you're at it, remember to embrace failure. Not every project will be a masterpiece, and that's okay. Every mistake, every failed attempt is a stepping stone towards becoming a better animator. Lastly, stay inspired. Animation is an ever-evolving art form. Keep exploring new styles, watching new animations, and keeping up with industry trends. Let your passion drive your learning. So there you have it, a roadmap to becoming an animator. From understanding the basics to staying inspired, these steps will guide you on your animation journey. So go ahead, step into the world of animation, and let your creativity soar.